Alright, I think this is a final stretch. Oh goodness, I'm all over the place. Alright. Look at this. I think we found it. This is it. Let's go, cowabunga. Good thing we got helmets so we don't bonk our heads. Probably should have brought some bread so we can put a little breadcrumb. Find our way out.
Glow in the dark things or something.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're riding in a mine. How cool is this?
My gosh, this is so cool.
One of the coolest things we've done on a motorbike, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely going deeper here. Till we're descending. Alright, you think we're deep enough? Let's turn off our engines and turn off our headlights. See how dark it is. Ready?
Yeah.
Get right next to you.
Okay.
There you go. Ready? Lights out. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. That's pretty dark.
It's pretty dark.
That's super dark. Yeah, I don't think if we didn't have headlights, we wouldn't be able to get out of here.
Uh-uh.
We'd die in this mine somewhere.